Thank you so much for taking time out and watching this powerful video. I believe it will be a blessing to you. Make it a point that you also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and after that, hit a notification button so that every time we upload a video, you'll be the first one to receive a message. Come on, let's watch it and see what it has to say.
Oh, Jesus. Baba Moyo, please come here. I don't know if you saw the miracle. I didn't have to move where I am. I just have to stand here and use authority. And when I used authority, something started moving. Maumtana kaNkulunkulu ne-authority. Ungavela ume unganyakazi. Bese ubiza into zakho sengathi zikhona. Uzibize zize zibe khona. Base abantu bathi no khona into anayo. Kanti awunalutho unegunya. Into oyisebenzisile usebenzise ini baselwane? I will preach next week. But ngicela uhambe nalento namhlanje. Ngivele ngama la phambili. Ngathi Moyo, come here. Aningizwa into engishoyo. And ngiyasola into eqalile yenzeka kuye uvalo shayela phezulu. Angazi nezwa into bazalwane. Njengoba ngibona ngimelana nami ngalethwa icalling. Wavela uNkulunkulu wabiza. Wathi makam come here. Ngasuka mawufuna ukwazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi nenhliziyo embi ubombona uNkulunkulu makakubiza ukubiza amoshe lokho busy ngako. uNkulunkulu uyadisturbana uthi yekelo kwakho and come to me. Akabiza uPeter nje ambize nje umthole busy enza something. But makathi Peter come here bafowethu anifuna ukuzwa into engishoyo. Umbiza ane assignment yakhe emjabulisayo aku comfort zone yakhe. But ambize amkhiphe la bekakhona khona to come where he is. Moyo, come here. Mawubizwa i-authority into oyenzayo at that time ayibalulekanga. Kunje namhlanje sikhulisa ingane ezingana protocol ezingana order. Noma ungayibiza kumele iqede kwenzayo bifizoza kuwe. Mawuyibuza kungani ungesoke lesikhathi athi no awuboni bengisebusy yini. Ngoba ukukhulisa abantu abangakwazi kulalela igunya neauthority ebekiwe kumholi kumzali. But mawune authority kahle awubizi nakabili ubiza kanye. Now mawumbiza udedela imixer yakhe uyekela amavolume wakhe athi omdala omkhulu uyangibiza ngedela konke ngikwenzayo ngisabele kulo ngibizayo. Sengathi ngavele ngiprofete namhlanje ngithi yonke into oyifisayo mawungaba neauthority uzoyibiza bese yasabe. Sengathi ngavele ngishumela kugcwala abafundisi ngelinye ilanga ngithi ubizo luyabiza. Ngoba mawubizwa ulahlekelwa yiko konke bewukwenza. Ngamanye amagama mhlawumbe nizoyizwa into engishoyo. Makacede uthini? Uthi follow me. Uyambiza umoya. Makacede ukubiza umoya uthini bazalwane? Follow me. Before you follow me, I don't know, I won't be too much today. I will try to be simple. Makambiza. Umsebenzi wami yini bazalwane ukubiza. Umsebenzi wakhe yini ukusabela. Anifuna ukuzwa into engishoyo. Mina ngenzani bazalwane? uNkulunkulu uyabiza ubese unya. In other words mawubizwa uNkulunkulu kunephathi kaNkulunkulu kunephathi yomuntu. Njengoba ubona izinto zakho zingenzeka ubheka iphathi yakho ukuthi njengoba yena ebizile wena usabelile yini. izwane ngizogcina ngale bese ngiyaqala ngiyashumela ahlale phansi kwami uthi kuye follow me. And then the last one uthini uthi I will make you. When you work with God, you've got some part to play, and He has a part to play. When follow, He will make. Don't try to make yourself follow, He will make you. Don't you want to be a millionaire one day? Keep on following. Follow Him, and Him, He will make you what you desire to be. You follow, and the Lord will do what He has to do. I will make you, but only if you follow. Thank you. Ngasathuki. Uba nongizwana namhlanje kuseni. So what I want you to know, the reason why I'm saying to you today, uNkulunkulu unephathi yakhe nawe unephathi yakho. Kumele wazi ukuthi sonke nje basizelwe sinje, God has called you to do something. And God can only bless you when you follow Him where He has called you. Abanye babizelwe emabhizinisini, ma uresponda kule business, God will bless you. Abanye babizelwe ukuthi baseve, when you respond to what God has called you, you will make it in what God has called you. I don't know, but the most frustration you can ever have, ukuthi ungazazi ukuthi ubizelweni emhlabeni, uzithola uphila kusa ulala uvuka but awazi uzeleni kulomhlaba esiphila kuwo. Athi usimakade ayikho into engayenzela umuntu ongazi ukuthi ufunani, but abantu engizobabusisa, abantu engizothi mangithi follow me, they will keep on coming, balandele mina, bathembe mina, because when you following a person, yena uhamba phambili. Rest assured ibe khona izolwa nayo if ifika kuwe, angeke kuliwe nawe kungakaliwa nomlandelayo. Inkinga yakho ufuna ukulandela, ufuna ukulandelwa ungakazi ulande. Yeah, I know I'm too deep this morning. I'm too deep this morning. Let me try to go deeper. I said, come to me. You know what he did? He came. But I want you to know, if I were to call him and call him Tembe at the same time, bonke they would come. But bangeke bonke bafike ngesikhathi esifanayo, because the distance will matter. Ungakuba yi-scientist namhlanje. Because when you call two people, omunye usasetshwaleni, andifuna ukuyizwa into engishoyo, omunye usasetshwaleni, omunye sekakhona endlini kaNkulunkulu. Kulula ukuthi umuntu ola enkonzweni abe umfundisi, but akulula ukuthi isidakwa sibe umfundisi, ngoba inkinga i-distance. Omunye usasekude nalento abizelwa kuyo. When God calls you, He will keep on waiting, thinking that maybe based on the distance you are still far, but ma ungaqala uthatha isinyathelo uzofika. Sengifike la bengiyakhona, athi usimakade batshele ngo-2017 wonke umuntu uyongena ku-calling yakhe, into ezokuthi udeleye ukuthi bewukude nala ufuneka khona. But I'm telling you, you are too close right now. You are getting to the place where God is calling you. Usimakade la kubizela khona, you are very close. I'm very close. I'm very close. I'm called to be a millionaire. I'm called to be a billionaire. I'm called to own a business. I'm called to be better than what I am today. And I'm very close to what God has called me for. Shout it! I don't know, but I can tell you right now that you are very close. Leto ifunayo, you are very close. Leto bizeleona, you are very close. To your dreams, you are very close. You are very close. Don't give up now. He didn't say the road will be easy, but don't give up now. If you can take another step and another one and another one and another one, you... Tell them I'm close, I'm close, I'm close, I'm close. Batshela ithi I'm close, I'm close, I'm close, I'm close. Mina ngazi ngisho bani. But lo muntu engimshoyo ngikhuluma ngomuntu bekakude kancane. But namhlanje ngiyazwa ngiyasondela. Ngiyazizwa izigi zomshado wami. Ngiyalibona ilanga lomshado wami. Ngiyayibona inyanga yomshado wami. Sengathi ngiyasondela. Every day I'm getting closer to what God has called me. If I win dawa ngikhuluma nawe. If you're not expecting anything, angizanga kuwe. But ngizokhuluma nabantu abathi hey, I'm closer than yesterday. I brought all of you today to tell you that you are closer than you were before. I called you to tell you one word. Keep on keeping on because you are very close. Only 20 days. January, you'll be moving on to the promises of God, and God will take you. Shout yeah! Can you touch two people and say, oh, I'm close. Tell them I'm close. Woo. Ubona ngani when you are close? Ubona ngabantu bekujikela ukuthi you are close. Ubona ngabantu bakhulume kabi ukuthi you are close. Ubona ngabakuhlebayo ukuthi you are close. Ubona ngabakudelelayo ukuthi you are close. Ubona ngokuswela imali ukuthi you are close. Ubona ngeyinkinga ukuthi you are close. Ubona ngokuthi udijikela wonke umuntu you are very close. Ungasayeki. The time usekude bebakuthanda. The time kusasenzima bebakuthanda. Bakuyeka manje ngoba hey, you are too close. Sengathi ungabalanda bonke abantu abakushila uthi yazi ngiyakwazi ukushiyana angingishiyanga endleleni ningishiya when I was very close angingishiyanga ngisasehlane but ningishiya when I was seeing the promised land because as far as you can see now the Lord Jehovah will give unto you. Let me try to go deeper. Tell your neighbor and say, I'm close, I'm close, I'm close, I'm close. Ooh, I'm close. If I'm very close. If I'm my WhatsApp, you are very close. If I'm social, you are very close. You are very close. If you are not close, nobody will turn against you. All of them, they were gone. Because the moment you are close, every man will say goodbye, but they don't know. The mob of Valeris is the most figil.
I believe and I know it that this video has blessed you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you can be the first one to know when I upload more videos. If you are blessed by this video, go ahead at the bottom here and give me a comment. Say whatever you want to say so that I can be encouraged to give you more videos. I'm telling you, even today, even tomorrow, I'm putting more videos. If you subscribe, you'll be the first one to know when I'm putting more videos. Stay blessed. Amen.